Hi, 7th graders. So today we're going to be diving right back into Criterion B like we were working on before break. So if you remember, before spring break, you finished your design specifications. Using an example like this, you came up with a list of things that your home needed to have in order to be successful. So you're going to be using what you stated in this list of your design specifications and the different ideas you came up with during your design brief to create your design sketches, your idea sketches. So to do that today, you're going to be working either in your sketchbook, because many of you said you had pencil and paper, so working on pencil and paper, or working with an online sketching tool. It's okay to use one of those. Working with either pencil and paper or an online sketching tool to be creating the first of two sketch ideas for your sustainable home. So today we're going to be doing one design idea, and on Monday you'll be doing the second. For this unit, we are not doing 3 design ideas for task 2. So right now we're starting our work on task 2. Normally I have you do 3 design idea sketches, but for this unit you're only doing 2 idea sketches total. Only 2. The first one we'll do today, and the second one you'll do on Monday, and you'll submit on Monday. And this is to help you in this new situation to sort of reduce the pressure. However, I ask that you take time with your sketches and do a good job with them. Even though we are doing less, I ask that you still do high quality work. And I'll explain the other changes later at the end of the call, but just for right now, know that we're only doing 2, sorry, not the end of the call, the end of the video. Just for right now, know that we're only doing 2 design idea sketches for the whole unit. So your idea sketches should be formatted if you want to reach the highest achievement level, they should be formatted something like this. So you have this example down here. And in this example, it shows you what I'm expecting for the highest achievement level. So in order to get a 7 or an 8, or to qualify for 7 or an 8, you have to include at least 2 outside views of your home and the layout of the home. This is the layout for the entire home that you'd need. So if you end up having a 2-story or a 3-story home, you'd have to have other floor layout plans as well. So in order to get full points, you have to be sure that you are doing an outside view, 2 outside views, and the layout of the home in your sketches. In your annotations, here is where you will be referencing which part of your sketches are showing the different things that you said your home needed to have in your design specification. So as you do annotations on your sketches, you're going to be referencing, oh, here is the double pane window that I said I needed to have in my specification, right? Here's a double pane window that will help regulate temperature, right? Here's the concrete floor that will help absorb sunlight to keep the home warm, those kind of things. In your annotation, you'll be highlighting the different features that are sustainable in your home and the things that you said you needed to have in order to be successful. So to summarize that again, in your sketches you need to include annotations that highlight the sustainable features and the different success criteria in each idea that you have shown in your drawings. And you also need to show 2 outside views and 1 layout of the home. As you're doing your annotations for your layout or drawing your layout, truly don't try to draw furniture or things like that. Just try to show the layout of how the home would be made, sort of like this one. Notice that there's no interior design done here. It's just all saying, here's a bedroom, here's a bathroom, here's a kitchen, those kind of things. That's what I mean when I say layout. And make sure you include the layout for each floor that you plan to have in the home. Today, you're only working on 1 idea sketch. Like I said, we're only doing 2. So you will submit your work for today using this document here. And in this document, you'll just put in a photo or a screenshot of the idea sketch for one of the sustainable home design ideas that you have. So today you're doing 1. You'll show me the sketch that you finished of that. Put it here and submit it. And then you'll also put that in your design journal for Criterion B as your first design idea. And then you'll also do that with your second design idea, and that'll be what we do on Monday. So we're doing the same thing today and Monday, just today you're doing the sketch for 1 idea, and Monday you'll be doing the sketch for the second idea. So you'll submit that today. A quick overview of how Criterion B is going to change for this unit is that, like I said, we're only doing 2 sketch ideas for task 2 of Criterion B. For task 3, you are not going to have to redraw your chosen design. you're just going to have to create a really strong justification. And I'll show you how to do that next week, but know that you aren't going to have to redraw your chosen design. So just try to create your high quality idea sketches this unit. And then in task 4, you will create a planning drawing of the chosen design. So that's where you'll get to resketch the home. But again, I'll explain to you how to do that as we get there. So you are only doing 2 idea sketches, and you're not going to have to redraw your chosen design idea for this unit. If you want to look into that a little bit more, you can go to our coming up Criterion B task on Manage Back. Look there, and then here you'll be able to see the rubric for the unit, for the Criterion B, and going through there you can see exactly what you need to have at each achievement level to earn that achievement level, essentially. So today, you're completing your sketch idea for one of your sustainable home ideas. You need to include 2 outside views and the floor plan of the home, and annotations that explain and highlight the different features that are sustainable and that meet your design specification. Then you will submit a photo of that using this document and turn that in today on Google Classroom. If you have any questions, you can email me or comment on this task. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you draw. Bye, guys.